We'll now go over your life insurance options, including basic life and optional life. We'll also go over how to calculate your optional life premium, as well as dependent life and optional AD&D. How much life insurance do you need? Ask yourself the following question. What would happen to your family's financial security if you were gone? Most experts recommend 3 to 5 times your salary and coverage, but individual circumstances differ. If you are married or have children, you may need more coverage than someone who is single. Almost 40% of deaths occur to people between ages 25 and 64, which are the prime working years. Basic life insurance is free. UAMS provides this coverage automatically for you. Coverage is 1 times your base annual salary up to $50,000. The coverage reduces at ages 70 and 75. Please indicate your beneficiary or beneficiaries on the UA Group Benefits Enrollment Form. Benefits are payable to your designated beneficiary in the event of your death. We recommend that you do not list minor children as your primary beneficiaries. Coverage is fully insured through the standard insurance company. You may have more than one person named as your primary beneficiary. Furthermore, it is not advisable to name minor children under 18 as beneficiaries. Life insurance payout will not be released to a minor child. Instead, money is payable to the court-appointed guardian who may not be the person you would have wished to have control of this money on behalf of your children. If you have a will that outlines who will be responsible for your children, this assists the court in appointing a guardian in accordance with your wishes. However, someone still must petition the court after your death. The contingent beneficiary. You may have more than one person named as your contingent beneficiary. However, they do not receive any payment if a primary beneficiary is still living at the time of your death. You may increase your life insurance coverage by enrolling in optional life, which is also fully insured through the standard. Please see the rate sheet for your age-based premium. Coverage is available up to 4 times your base annual salary, up to a $500,000 maximum. If you would like additional coverage beyond the free coverage that UAMS provides, then consider enrolling in optional life. Combined with basic life, you could possibly have 5 times your salary in life insurance. Indicate your beneficiaries on the UA Group Benefits Enrollment Form. Your premium, as well as the amount of your insurance benefit, will automatically update as your salary changes. Your rate will also automatically increase when you reach a new age bracket. You do have the option to name a different set of beneficiaries for optional life. To calculate your optional life insurance premium, use the calculations shown here. So, for example, a 44-year-old FGP member earns $174,500 per year and is paid monthly. So first, multiply your salary by 1, 2, 3, or 4 and then round up. It does not matter if you do not have a spouse or how many children you have. You will pay the rate shown on the sheet for the amount of coverage you elected. All future eligible dependents will be covered too, once you elect this coverage. All 3 plans, basic life, optional life, and dependent life, offer accelerated death benefits, whereby partial benefits can be paid prior to death in event of terminal illness. All group term life policies, meaning the term of your coverage is your UAMS employment. There are options to port or convert to private policies when you leave UAMS. There is a 30-day window. Accidental death and dismemberment is insured through the standard. Benefits are payable in the event of accidental death or dismemberment. Coverage is available for employee only or employee and family. Please see the rate sheet for your premium. It is important for you to know that all the previous life plans are payable for most any kind of death. AD&D coverage, however, is only payable in the event of an accidental death or dismemberment. You do have the option to name a different set of beneficiaries for AD&D. AD&D coverage is available in increments of $25,000 up to a maximum of $300,000. In the event of an accidental death, 100% benefit is paid on the employee, 60% on the spouse, 20% on each eligible child. Spouse benefits are reduced starting at the age of 70. Partial benefits are also payable for different types of dismemberment, for example, the loss of an eye or a limb. Once again, all the previous life plans are payable for most any kind of death. AD&D coverage, however, is only payable in the event of an accidental death or dismemberment. Please see the online summary plan description for the benefit payouts for the different types of dismemberment. Accidental death resulting from a hazardous hobby, such as hang gliding or scuba diving, is not covered. $20,000 times $15,000 equals $300,000. Optional life, dependent life, and AD&D take effect the first day of the next calendar month after you enroll. If you miss your 1-month window, you may apply for coverage through the carrier. You must pass an evidence of insurability health screening. However, you may sign up for or increase your AD&D coverage at any time, even beyond your 1-month enrollment window. Accidents are not predictable. Here's a tip. Consider signing up for increased AD&D coverage the month before you plan to take a trip as your travel insurance. Furthermore, if you currently do not have any dependents, you will then have a 1-month enrollment window to add coverage once you gain your first dependents. Once the window passes or you gain other dependents, then you will need to go through evidence of insurability. Thank you. This now concludes the life insurance benefits portion of your benefits presentation.